Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a unicorn surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our unicorn surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to start by lining up the corners and giving it a nice fold right here. Next, I'm going to take this and I'm going to line up the corners again. I'm going to give it another nice fold, and that way I kind of have like a big bookmark. Now when I open it up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing. Now to start off with this, let's begin right here, and we're going to make an ear. So I'm going to start right about here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that goes up. Then I'm going to curve it back like this. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve down and then up. Then I'm going to bring this back to here. Now starting here, I'm going to bring this line out and we'll curve it down for the nose. And then right back here, let's bring this line down to here. Now up here, let's make the horn. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to come up, kind of like a rounded point, and we'll bring it back down. Then I'll add a couple little curves onto it. Right inside the ear, let's make a little curve, and then we'll come straight down, kind of like a half circle. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, and we're going to go over and curve it up. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to curve down. And then right here, I'm going to bring this line down here. Next right here, I'm going to put a little dot for the nose. And then right here, we're going to make the eye. I'm going to begin by making a circle. And then I'll put two smaller circles inside of here. And then I'll just color in the inside. Then I'll add a couple little eyelashes onto the side. Right over here, I'm going to add just a little smile. And then back here, I want to add some hair. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to make a line that's going to curve down and then out here. And then I'm going to bring this right back to here. Now starting here, I'm going to draw another line that's going to come out to a point, and then I'm going to curve it back. I'll make one here, out to a curve and then back. And then one more out here, out to a curve, and we'll bring it straight down. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to curve down and come to here for the front of our unicorn's nose. Now, once we have all this drawn, we're going to open it up and add all the details on the inside. Now, once we open it up, we can see that we have two halves of our unicorn. So let's work over here first. Let's begin by bringing this line all the way down to connect. Next, I'm going to start up here and I'm going to add some more of this hair. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out and then back in. We'll do another one. We'll curve it out and bring it back in. Do another one. And we're just going to make these come all the way down here. And then we'll put one right to here. And we'll bring this one up a little bit. Now, let's make the mouth of our unicorn. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to bring this line down. And then I'm going to bring this line up. So this one's below the fold, and this one's above the fold. Next, I'm going to bring this all the way over to here into a smile. And then I'll make a little line across here. Now I'm going to curve this down and bring it to here. So I'm going to curve this down, and I'm going to make it come right to here. Then I'm going to bring this line down, and then I'll bring this line up. Now I'm going to give my unicorn some teeth right here. So I'm just going to make a little line that's going to go down, over, and up. And I'll put a little line right down here. And I'll do the same thing here. Let's just go up, over, and down. And a little line down for some unicorn teeth. Now we're going to make him kind of like barfing a rainbow. So what I want to do is I want to start right here, and I'm going to make a line that's just going to curve up, and it's going to come down to here. And then I'll do the same thing here. I'm just going to go up and bring it down to here, but make sure we don't touch or go past that fold. Then I'm going to make some little hearts in here. So I'm going to make some little hook shapes, just to make some little hearts. So I'll put one here, then I'll put a couple down here. So I'll put one right here, and then another right here. And there you go, there is your little barfing rainbow unicorn surprise fold. So when I have it all folded up, I have this cute little unicorn, and then when I open it up, her mouth is open and she's thrown up a rainbow with some hearts. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.